We have 1987 Buick Grand National, so Regal. Customer came in with multiple issues. The biggest issue was the battery was dying, and we found out this is a new alternator. We already put it in, but I'm going to explain to you how we did it. So first thing you're going to do is remove the intake pipe. Where's the pipe? All right, so loosen this one up, then pull this out, disconnect the sensor here. And second part is you're gonna remove this belt. How you do it is you're gonna have a two open end. That was a 13 mil? What size was this one? 13?
No, 3/4.
3/4. All right, then you push it down, you remove this belt. Now once you have the remove, I replaced the belt also. I'll put all the links on description. Then you're gonna remove this nut, then move this one away from it, then remove this entire bolt. There's another nut in the back, but that actually connected to the rod. So the whole entire rod goes from front to back, comes out. This one you push further back in, and this little spacer and the nut comes out, the bolt comes out. Then after that, you're gonna have to disconnect this. There is a clip here on the bottom. You take this out, remove the ground, remove the terminal right here in the back, then entire alternator comes out. To put it back in, same thing. You use the 3/4, pushing it down like that, then put the belt back up, and you pull it up. Be sure you line up the grooves, and reinstall all this back. That's it. And don't forget the plug here in the back. I don't know what it is, but I think this is a map sensor, they call it at AutoZone. Where is it? So that's that. And reinstall the intake, air filter. That's it. And how you can tell is there are two ways to do it. You can put the multimeter on this terminal in the back here with car running and increase the speed with the gas pedal or this throttle here. And when you increase the idle, the voltage should go up as you increase the speed. Or you get one of these meters we have. So you get one of these battery tests. This is inexpensive battery tester I have. I've been having this one for about 30 years. Over time, the resistor inside gone bad, and I just put the circuit breaker here. So when you are testing just the charging power, it should be at the green. When you want to do load test, turn off the car. The battery should be right here at the green, and when you do this, it should remain on green for a while. Eventually it'll go down, but that should take a long time to do so. If the green indication goes down immediately, most likely your battery is defective. So normal position with the car running, it should be up here. When you want to do load test, turn off the car, do this. This should be staying at green right here, indicating the battery is good. If the battery is no good, it'll go down like that. Then you know you gotta replace the battery.
And that's it. Just plug in like that.
Mm-hmm.
So that's in. No, this.
Y devuelvo otro rato.
Filter out, air intake out. You put the open end 3/4, pull it down, remove the belt, remove the nut here, bolt comes out this way. This one is 2-part. You take the nut off, and behind there's another nut. That entire rod comes out this way, and this comes out. Disconnect this. What size were these?
For 13, 15. What? 15.
This was 15
Yes.
on top and bottom.
No, they are cut. No, I think this one is 14.
This is 15, this is 13, this is 15 too.
Okay, so the front side is 13. There's another one behind that is 15. This is 15. And the ground is 8. This is what, 10? And this positive side is 10 mil.